Hello friends, good morning. Now, in previous session we discussed about data types and sub-supporting data types. So now we need to see supporting and sub-supporting data types with an access range limitation. Okay, and how much size it will be allocated for a memory. For a signed char, you can apply signed char. So for signed char, what is the range? The range is minus 128 to minus 128 to 127, positive of 127, and it will occupy how much size of memory? 1 byte of memory. 1 byte of memory. Next, unsigned. Unsigned char. Unsigned char. What is the unsigned means what? Without negative. It will be represent 0 to 255. 255. What is the size of this one? 1 byte. 1 byte. Next one, short signed int. Short signed int is nothing but look like an integer only, minus 32,768 to positive number of 32,767. This is the access range. For 32-bit system, it will be occupied 2 bytes. For 64-bit, it will occupy 4 bytes of memory. 4 bytes of memory. Next, short unsigned int. What is the access range? Unsigned means positive. 0 to 65,535. This is the access range limitation. Okay. What is the storing capacity? Same like in a 2 or 4 bytes. 2 or 4 bytes. Next, signed int. So this is signed means positive and negative. So 32,768 to positive number of 767. This is also 2 or 4 bytes. 2 or 4 bytes. Next one, unsigned int. Next one what? Unsigned int. So this is unsigned means 0 to 65,535. Same look like. Next, what is the same 2 or 4 bytes. Next one what? Long signed int. Next one what? Long signed int. What is the value? Signed means positive and negative. So minus 214748 3648. This is the negative of range, and next positive of range. We will see positive of range. Same 214748 3647. This is an access range. It is also occupy long. So this is a long. Only 4 bytes of memory will occupy 4 bytes. Next one. So the next one is long unsigned int. Unsigned int. So unsigned means positive, na? So 0 to same. 42, sorry, same. What is a 42 94 96 72 7295 7295, and then both the sign of positive and negative we need to add same look like. So it is 4 bytes. This is also 4 bytes. 4 bytes only. Okay. Next one is float. So float access range is minus 3.4 into e to the power of 38 to positive of 3.4 e to the power of 38. It will occupy how much size of memory? 4 bytes. 4 bytes. Next, double. So double, what is the range? 1 point minus 1.7 into, for double, minus 1.7 e to the power of 308 to 1.7 into e to the power of 308. So how much size of memory it will be occupy? 8 bytes. Next one, last one, long double. Next one is what? Long double. So this one is 1.7 minus 1.7 into e to the power of 4932 to 1.7 into e to the power of 4932. So it will be occupy 10 bytes of memory. It will occupy 10 bytes of memory. So like that we have an access range limitation as well as access range limitation. Next one is what? Next one, size of the data types. Each and every data type, what is the combination we can take, and those combination of size of memory. So like that we have a memory areas. So this is data types and its access range limitation. So now we can go with format specifier. Of these type of information. For an example, if you go with signed char, we can go with format specifier is nothing but what type of formats you want to provide it for an output console. So those we represented as format specifier. The format specifier symbol is percentile. So character na, so signed character, it will be percentile C. Next, for unsigned character, this is also percentile C. Next, signed int. What is the next one? Signed int. It is percentile D. Or percentile I. Next, short unsigned int. We can represent percentile u. You can represent percentile u. Signed int. Next one is what? Signed int. So signed int is percentile d. Signed int percentile d or percentile I also we can take it. Next one is what? Unsigned. Unsigned percentile u. Next one was long signed int. Long signed int. Long signed int is represented as LD. LD long integer type. Next, long unsigned. This is also same like an LD. Next one is what? Float. Next one is what? Float. Percentile F. Next one is what? Double. So this is percentile LF. Percentile LF. Next one is, it is a careful one, long double. Double is in a percentile LF and long double is percentile capital LF. Capital L, small f. So this is the scenario. And we have in further future, we will take some of things like a string also we can take. Further, we can take a format specifier as percentile yes. Percentile yes. Like that, we have a different type of output scenarios, output representation of data types we have. For that, we will use these type of format specifiers. So these format specifiers we use in our C programming language. Okay, so this is the way we can go with format specifier. Next concept is escape sequences. Escape sequences. Next concept is escape sequences. Further, what we have, we will see. For escape sequences are starts with a slash. What type of slash this is? This is backward slash. So backward slash of A, backward slash of A indicated as alarm, alarm or beep sound, beep sound. Whenever we use, we will get alarm like a sound. It will be represented. Next one, slash B, slash B. So this one is represented as backspace. Backspace. If you require any backspace, so you can use slash B you can use. Next one is what? Slash F. Slash F. So this one is used for form feed. Nothing but if you won't fill any information, so you can go with form feed. Next one is slash T. Slash T. So this is a horizontal tab. This is a what? Horizontal tab. Tab space. Like we can give whenever we go for a document or representation, we can give in between two words. We can give a space, like a not small space. We can give a tab space. In our keyboard, we have a tab. So if you in our system, we have a tab. So whenever we go with a tab, we will get a huge amount of space in between those areas. So like that, we can get in output also by using slash T, tab space of horizontal. Next one is slash V. So this will be represented as vertical tab. This is also tab, but it will be represented in vertical space. Is in a vertical space. Next one is Next one is /n, represented for new line. It means if I want to print one output, so no need of any new line. If you want to print multiple values, so without using /n, you will get side by side, you will get the value. So at that time you can confuse. So that is the reason we have a new line escape sequences we have. So by using new line, first value will print, the next line, the next new line will print another value, the next new line will print another value. Like that we will use new line /n, we will use that like that. So next /r, 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 carry return. If you want any value to return to some information, so that is the reason carry return we will use, carry return we will use. And next one // next one is what, //. So if you want to represent a slash in your area, so that is called backslash required backslash. So this is backslash representation. Okay. Next one. The next one is /apostrophe. This will be represented in your message or in your area. You want to represent it as a single quotation or apostrophe for that particular area. So for that we can /single quotation we can use. So that we represented as a single quotation. Single quote. Next one. If you want to represent double quotation, you can go with /double quotes. Like that we will use. Next one, if you want to represent any question mark after asking the question, so for that you can go with /question mark. Next one, if you want represent as an octa number, so you can go with /O. This will be represent octa number. Next one, if you want to represent hexadecimal number, XHH indicated as hexadecimal number. Okay, last one. Last one we can go with, so that is /0. So this will be represented as a null. So this we will use in some of cases. So like an array point of view or any other point of view we can use. So like these are the escape sequences we have in C program. One is /A, /B, /F, /T, /V, /N, /R, /single quotation, /double quotation, /question mark, /of octa number, /of hexadecimal number, and /of 0. Like that, we have a numbers for these escape sequences and format. Okay. So these are the escape sequences we have. With an example, these example we will continue in the next session. Thank you. Have a nice day. And if you have any queries or any new videos, nothing but new topic videos you require, please comment below and share my videos to your friend to get a good knowledge. Thank you. Have a nice day. And if you interested in my videos, please click on subscribe button.